colorful animals. Let's learn colors with animals. What color is it? It's blue. It's a blue elephant. It's a blue elephant. Do you want to know more about elephants? An elephant's trunk is very strong. It helps them eat and drink. Elephants love to eat bananas. They can eat them up all day. What color is it? It's orange. It's an orange tiger. It's an orange tiger. Do you want to know more about tigers? A tiger has strong legs. It helps them run fast. Did you know tigers can swim? They love moving through the water. What color is it? It's green. It's a green alligator. It's a green alligator. Do you want to know more about alligators? An alligator has a strong tail. It helps them swim. Alligators love the water. They swim quietly and smoothly. What color is it? It's pink. It's a pink flamingo. It's a pink flamingo. Do you want to know more about flamingos? Flamingos like to stand on one leg. It helps them rest. Flamingos love to eat shrimp and tiny water plants. What color is it? It's yellow. It's a yellow lion. It's a yellow lion. Do you want to know more about lions? A lion has a loud roar. It uses its roar to talk to other lions. Do you know something interesting about lions? Lions love to sleep and can rest for many hours every day. What color is it? It's purple. It's a purple monkey. It's a purple monkey. Do you want to know more about monkeys? Monkeys use their hands and tails to climb and swing. Monkeys love to eat bananas. They use their hands to hold their food. What color is it? It's gray. It's a gray hippopotamus. It's a gray hippopotamus. Do you want to know more about hippopotamus? Hippos love to eat grass. Chomp, chomp. It's their favorite food. Do you know something cool about hippos? Hippos don't swim. They walk on the bottom of the water. What color is it? It's brown. It's a brown horse. It's a brown horse. Do you want to know more about horses? Horses run fast and help people. They use their strong legs to move quickly. Horses love to eat grass. A baby horse is called a foal. What color is it? It's white. This is a white sheep. This is a white sheep. Do you want to know more about sheep? Sheep have soft, fluffy wool. Their wool helps keep them warm. Sheep love to eat grass. Baby sheep are called lambs. What color is it? It's red. It's a red ladybug. It's a red ladybug. Do you want to know more about ladybugs? Ladybugs have bright red shells. The bright color helps warn other animals to stay away. What color is it? It's black. It's a black buffalo. It's a black buffalo. Do you want to know more about buffaloes? Buffaloes love to eat grass. They munch it all day. Buffaloes take mud baths to stay cool. The mud also protects their skin. Great job, friends! You learned so many colors and animals today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun learning videos.